All right, y'all, we got ourselves an NCT WISH song. This is the Japanese version of the song titled Songbird. And we got ourselves a meaning. NCT WISH's Songbird Japanese version is a vibrant and uplifting anthem that celebrates dreams, unity, and the power of music. Oh, y'all ain't put delves in this. Huh. Okay. Way to way to okey doke me. The song opens with a gentle invitation to pause and listen to a melody, setting a serene yet hopeful tone. The lyrics paint a picture of a clear blue sky and an open world, symbolizing endless possibilities and new beginnings. The imagery of spreading wings and flying straight into the sky represents the pursuit of dreams and aspirations, encouraging listeners to take bold leaps of faith. The recurring theme of unity is central to the song's message. Phrases like, "If we become one, we can fly," emphasize the strength found in togetherness. The song suggests that when people come together, they can achieve great heights and overcome any obstacles. This further reinforced by the lines, "I want to dream on your shoulder," highlighting the importance of support and companionship in the journey towards one's dreams. Oh, this is one of them type songs. Okay, this gonna be really nice. Very uplifting. I like it. Okay, musically, Songbird is characterized by its upbeat tempo and catchy melody, which mirror the song's optimistic and energetic spirit. The repeated call to sing the melody again serves as a reminder of the enduring power of music inspired and uplift. Huh. Okay. The song also touches on themes of hope and resilience, with lines like hope that comes true as you wish, and just you and I, let us shine. Just you and I, let's shine brightly. These lyrics encourage listeners to hold on to their dreams and believe in their ability to achieve them. Yes, as you should. As you should. Okay, I'm a like this, no matter the challenges they may face. Okay, bet that. Overall, Songbird by NCT WISH is a celebration of dreams, unity, and the transformative power of music. It inspires listeners to dream big, support one another, and keep singing their own unique melodies, no matter what. I'm feeling it. Now let's listen to it. Let's go. Let's do it. The stream is going so well. This lineup is lovely. I also caught what else we got in the lineup. This is about to be amazing. Shout out to Ray Sheller. The uniforms look so good.
Mission in this game you as a messenger.
Uh-oh. Oh no. What? See, me, I wouldn't have checked that out. I would have minded my business. Whose wings are those? Oh, it's a small wet floor sign. Don't answer that.
무시무시.
Feels good.
What? Oh. Hey, how you doing? Shit, my bad. I forgot there was an NCT group for a second. Ooh, ow. Oh, that harmony hit me. Come on. Okay. Hold on, y'all not about to just do that and just like think that's calm. Did they just hold a run for that long? Wait, what? I'm gonna count this. Oh no, that's tough. Nah, these guys gonna be all right. These guys gonna be all right. This is like some good foundational stuff that they gonna. Hey. Oh, you said my NCT 127 bias? Johnny and Mark. They are zooming. But they losing packages. Hey. I forgot you had that. Thank you, Rachella. Oh.
Sing for you.
Oh, okay.
Give me some.
Give me some. Okay.
All right, come on.
Yo, this harmony, bro. Oh, yes.
Songbird. Yeah, little Songbird.
Oh, boy, I had shit on myself. What? This was great. This was very creative. Very, very, very creative. Oh, Korean version. Yo, NCT WISH, they're going to be good. That not only was the music video very creative, the Japanese version, that harmony is something to be reckoned with. That was wow. Wow. That's all I can say is wow.